Hello and welcome to another Chao on Tour video. In today's clip, I am going to share with you my trip to Bratislava in Slovakia. I visited this lovely cafe, which is definitely more than just a cafe. I was greeted warmly by their friendly baristas, mostly ladies, and of course, I was able to talk to the owner who told me all about the cafe. It started as a co-working space and it has grown into this amazing cafe with a special concept. Stay tuned. Reza, I'm from Thailand, and Vaco here is the owner of The Lab. It's a cafe, but apparently it's not just a cafe. There's a lot of things going on here. They have a workshop space in this area. So please tell us about yourself and this beautiful city of Bratislava.
Yeah, thank you. So hi, my name is Vaco or Vaco. I'm the owner of this place. It's actually the community place. It's not only about the coffee and tea. It's not about just like coming for a drink and leaving, but we also provide the co-working space where people can sit down and shape their ideas, work on their ideas. And if they need some kind of tools, they can use the tools that we have in the basement, like the 3D printers, laser cutters. So they actually basically they can really start their own project, their own business from here.
Okay, and how did you come up with this idea?
Actually, I've been running like co-working space, like a regular co-working space for several years, but the market has been shifting a bit, so we decided like, okay, let's don't give just the desk to the people, but give them as well the machines so they can create or craft their ideas.
So this is a very different concept from what I've seen everywhere. It's co-working space, but this space has a lot of tools as well that they can, as Vaco said, they can shape their ideas, whatever they have in mind. So, do you come from the coffee industry, or what's your background?
Actually, I'm not from the coffee industry directly, but I mean, like the cafe is a must for a good community space. So you need to have a coffee to work on your ideas. You're drinking coffee every day because it's the power for your work.
Channel,
So I'm not from the cafe. I'm from the creative industry. I'm more from the IT background. But the coffee have been like always like necessity for my businesses and for my work as well.
That's interesting to know that he started with like some creative ideas from technical background, and yet the cafe helps in putting this into shape. Right?
It helps putting this into the shape, and as well it attracts more and more people, because by the coffee or by the tea you can connect with more people, you can attract more people to come, and as they are in here in the cafe, they start to explore what kind of machines we have and how to use them, and maybe they start to think, okay, maybe also I can try to do something.
Amazing. That's a very good project.
Thank you.
Tell me where you're from. I mean, we haven't really said where you're from.
I'm originally from Bratislava. We are right now in Bratislava, in the downtown of Bratislava.
Okay.
So basically this is my hood where I grew up and where I'm running. So it's a place where I'm allowed to live, where I want to live, and where I'm trying to give as much as possible to the community around. So.
Okay, now show us what you've got here. So
basically this is the main community space where all the workshops and the education is going on. We have silent machines in here, so we have like the vinyl cutter, we have some embroidery machines, and also we have these huge wheels here. It used to be a steam engines, and because in 1910 when this building was built, this was actually the engine room for the whole building. There have been two huge steam engines here. They have been operating on the coil. Most probably, because we don't know by sure, it was the cooling system, because this market hall had been the biggest supplier of the ice for the city in that time.
So this actually used to work? Yes,
this was really operational. Right now it's not possible to be operational, but we still want to keep it here as a memento, as this technical genius loci of the space.
Big steam engine here.
And then in the next room we have the modern engine room with all the 3D printers and laser cutters.
And printers. Wow. Do you actually print anything for sale, or is it just for people that want to do their craft?
Actually, one part is mostly of the machines are for the members, so you can come here and pay for the membership. And in the membership, we have the access to our machines. We have the access to our education, so we'll teach you how to use the machines, and we also introduce you to our community. So it's like and it's really, we are trying to keep the membership as cheap as possible. So right now it's €9 a month to come and play with these machines. But then we also have our own small brands that we are selling upstairs in the cafe, in the shop. So we do a lot of small products that people can buy as a gift.
Right.
That also help us to finance this, like it's more like CSR activity and like keeping this price for the membership very low. And we also do the rapid prototyping for the company. So if you have some need for some specific product, you can come to us and we will help you to really make this product happen.
Okay, well, that's a very good price there. Monthly membership for €9?
Yeah.
Wow. And what about if they use any of the material? So you charge them for the material?
Yes, you pay for the material, or you can bring your own material in some cases.
That's amazing. So make sure you check this out. Membership is not expensive at all.
And even though if you are come to Bratislava, because I think you have many international viewers.
Right, yes.
So anytime you come to Bratislava, we are in the right downtown of the city. And if you want to come to see the place, just write us on Instagram, and we will make you the tour in here. So.
Absolutely. So all of you from my international viewers all over the world, come to Bratislava. This is an amazing concept.
Thank you.
Right. So what else can you show us?
We have the laser cutter here.
Right.
So this is mostly like the machine, but then I can show you actually the two guys that just arrived. They are our members. They are preparing for, there will be the White Night. It's a huge festival of light, and they are creating their own projects. Like 2 months ago, they have their installation in Paris.
Right.
Now they are preparing for the Bratislava edition with the new art.
Okay.
So we have many stuff. We have a 3D printed moon here. Maybe you can take, like, you feel free to take the picture. Sometimes it looks like a bit a mess, because we have about 80 members. Even though you set up the rules, like you have to clean after you and so on, it's still like very difficult to manage. And it just
80 members, that's like, it started with how many?
Actually, it started from zero.
How many of you? I mean, how many years now?
2016. But during the Corona, we fell down to 0 members.
Right.
And since 2016, we had more than 1,500 members going through the experience of lab.
Yeah.
And many people are coming back, because when you don't have a project, you just stop your membership, and you come back when you need to build something, or you want to make a present for someone, then you come. Right. These are one of our most favorite members. You can take a picture of them. They are famous in Slovakia.
Hello, hi.
I don't know if it's true.
If not yet, it will be soon.
I'm Risa from Thailand. Yes. Hello.
Hello, I'm Rastio.
Hello.
Rastio is an electrotech guy, and Pavel is an art guy. And now we can go for a coffee.
Yeah, now we can go for coffee. But I'm really, really impressed with what Vaco has shown me here, and it's amazing how you provide an outlet for people to come and be creative, not just an ordinary working space. Well done.
Thank you very much.
There is time for coffee?
Yeah, let's have a espresso tonic, if I may suggest.
Wow, espresso tonic, yeah, why not?
Okay, so please, I already asked my colleagues to prepare, so...
Let's have a look. So, hi, what's your name, please?
My name is Sonya.
Sonya, yes? And you're going to make us espresso tonic.
Single shot of our Brazil Caramelo medium roast.
Brazil,
from Gorifi. It's a actual local brewery that is making this coffee. It's one of my personal favorites blends of the coffee.
Okay.
And we have a huge selection of the tonic that you can choose, but I will now offer like the pure raw tonic.
Right.
So, and you put the tonic into the glass.
Okay.
And
so tonic in the glass.
Yeah, and then you have to put the coffee on the ice cube. So. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
A second. Let's put.
And you use a single shot or is it a double shot?
Actually, we usually put a single shot.
Single shot, right?
You pour it on the ice so you can get nice layers. And it's very refreshing. Good for the hangovers because tonic has some special chemistry inside.
Wow, that is amazing. That looks amazing.
Good for creativity and creating stuff.
It's actually one of my favorites, espresso tonic. So can I just try it? So I'm going to review your espresso tonic.
Okay, I'm curious.
Made by Sonya and Sophie. Okay.
Sophie.
So it's really like fizzy now.
Yeah.
Right?
It's sweet and sour actually when we combine it together.
Wow, very refreshing. And the coffee is not bitter. Brazil, what?
Caramel Brazil, because of the caramel stuff in there is
Caramel, yeah. I could taste the caramel notes of it, and absolutely delicious. So if you're coming to Bratislava, make sure you stop by at Lab Cafe. Would you like to invite everyone?
Hello guys, if you're in Bratislava, stop by in the old market hall in the downtown of Bratislava in the Lab Cafe. You're very welcome to having coffee, having some good prosecco, snacks, drinks, or even joining some of our creative workshops to enhance your creativity.
Amazing. I'm so impressed. Well, thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you very much. It was my pleasure to host you here.
That's all we'd like to share with you today. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.